Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crystal Coast Originals. Thank you so much for checking out my video. I'm going to try to keep this intro as short as possible, but I do have some announcements for you guys. The first one being that I will be teaching at the Fluid Art Boutique in Santa Fe, New Mexico this April 1st through the 3rd. I was actually talking to a lovely lady that lives in the Santa Fe area who's going to be taking classes at FAB, and she told me there are over 300 art galleries in Santa Fe. I think she said 300. I'm not sure if that's the exact number, but regardless, it was a lot. I knew that there was a big art scene in Santa Fe, but I guess I didn't realize exactly how big. So I will definitely be checking out as many art galleries as I can while I'm there. My second announcement is I wanted to thank you guys for tagging me in your post on Facebook and Instagram. I love seeing what you guys create, and from what I've seen so far, you guys have done a fabulous job. So please keep it up. Please continue to tag me in your posts so that I can see your work, and it also helps others to see my videos so they can try this technique as well. So I'm going to show you guys the painting you're going to see in the video today. It is this one right here, and it is a gradient background Dutch pour. Now I will say, you guys, you have to do this painting in stages. It might take a while to complete, but I mean, I feel like it's totally worth it, right? Because they look so cool. So I did the gradient first, then the blue, followed by the white around the edges. Then once all that dried, I laid down the transparent base and then blew out the colors. So this is on a 14 by 14 inch canvas. This painting is available in my Etsy shop if you guys are interested. The formula as well as the colors that I used will be listed in the description box, so please don't forget to check that out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
sun.